What if I told you that Google, the pioneers of artificial intelligence, are secretly at war with themselves over AI? It's a battle that's been raging for years, and it's changing the course of their AI strategy. You're probably thinking, how can a company that's so ahead of the game be struggling with its own AI? But that's exactly what's happening. I've been following Google's AI journey for a while now, and I've noticed some interesting developments. They've been investing heavily in Google AI, and it's been paying off in a big way. But beneath the surface, there's an internal conflict brewing. It's a conflict that's not just about the technology, but about the direction of the company itself. And that's what makes this story so fascinating. You see, Google's AI team is like a family, they're all working towards a common goal, but they've got different ideas about how to get there. Some want to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, while others are more cautious. It's like a game of chess, where each side is trying to outmaneuver the other. But what's really interesting is that this internal conflict is not just limited to the AI team. It's a company-wide issue, with different departments pulling in different directions. It's like trying to herd cats, it's chaotic, but also kind of beautiful. And at the center of it all is Gemini, Google's latest AI project. It's a massive undertaking, one that could change the face of AI forever. Now, I know what you're thinking, what's Gemini, and why is it so important? Well, let me tell you. Gemini is like a superpowered version of Google's current AI. It's faster, smarter, and more powerful. But it's also more unpredictable, and that's what's causing the internal conflict. Some people are worried that Gemini is too powerful, and that it could get out of control. But others see Gemini as the future of AI. They believe that it's the key to unlocking new possibilities, and that it could revolutionize industries. It's like the difference between a Toyota and a Tesla, both will get you where you want to go, but one is definitely more exciting. And that's what's driving the internal conflict at Google. As I've been digging deeper into this story, I've started to realize just how complex it is. It's not just about the technology, it's about the people, the politics, and the power struggles. It's like a Shakespearean drama, with characters vying for position and power. And at the heart of it all is the question, what does it mean to be a responsible AI developer? And that's a question that we should all be asking ourselves. As AI becomes more powerful, we need to think about the implications. It's like the story of the Sorcerer's Apprentice, you know, the one where the apprentice conjures up a powerful entity, but then can't control it? That's what's happening with AI right now. We're creating these powerful systems, but we're not always thinking about the consequences. And that's what's driving the internal conflict at Google. They're trying to navigate this complex landscape, and figure out what it means to be a responsible AI developer. But as they navigate this landscape, they're also having to deal with the pressure to innovate. It's like being in a race, where the finish line keeps moving. You're always trying to stay ahead of the curve, but it's exhausting. And that's what's driving the tension at Google. As I've been following this story, I've started to realize that it's not just about Google, it's about all of us. We're all implicated in this journey, whether we like it or not. And that's what makes it so fascinating. It's like we're all on a journey together, trying to figure out what it means to be human in a world of machines. And that's a question that I don't think we have an answer to yet. But what I do know is that Google's internal conflict over AI is just the beginning. It's a sign of things to come, as we navigate this complex and rapidly changing landscape. As I reflect on this story, I have to admit that I'm a bit torn. Part of me is excited about the possibilities of AI, and the potential for it to change the world. But another part of me is worried about the implications, and the potential for it to get out of control. It's like being on a roller coaster, you're not always sure what's going to happen next. But that's what makes this journey so exciting. We're all in this together, and we're all trying to figure it out as we go. And that's what's driving the innovation at Google. They're not just trying to develop new AI systems, they're trying to create a new future. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI is going to play a bigger and bigger role. And that's what's driving the debate at Google. They're trying to figure out what it means to be a responsible AI developer, and how to navigate the complex landscape of AI. It's like trying to solve a puzzle, you're not always sure what the right answer is, but you're trying to find it anyway. And that's what's so fascinating about this story. It's not just about Google, it's about all of us. We're all trying to figure out what it means to be human in a world of machines. And that's a question that I think we'll be grappling with for a long time to come. As we move forward into this uncertain future, it's clear that AI is going to be a big part of it. And that's what's driving the innovation at Google. They're not just trying to develop new AI systems, they're trying to create a new future. And that's what's so exciting about this journey. But as we embark on this journey, we need to ask ourselves, what does it mean to be responsible in a world of machines? It's a question that's not just about Google, it's about all of us. And it's a question that I think we should all be thinking about. So, what do you think? Can we trust Google to develop AI that's in our best interests? It's a question that's not easy to answer, but it's one that we need to be thinking about. As I sign off, I want to leave you with that question, and I hope you'll join me next time as we explore more of the intersection of technology and humanity. If you're as curious as I am about the future of AI, then you're in the right place, and I'd love for you to subscribe and join me on this journey.